Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to 1K a day challenge, and I'm super excited to share a live case study with you in this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's get out of this slide world and let's go to the real world and show you the live case study. Okay, so let's move to the real world now. Okay guys, as you see, I am in my Warrior Plus account and this is my account VicCardi2014. It's just the morning in United States. I've already made $710. Yesterday I closed at $1,831. In the past 7 days we've made $11,852, and till now in the last 30 days we made like $29,650. This is super powerful system, and let me just prove it to you that this is morning. And so current EST time, I want to be very transparent that this system is super powerful. It's just afternoon in United States. It's 1:48 p.m. okay, so this will increase this amount. It will reach close to 1,000 or more, I don't know, but the point is it works. Okay, the point is live, it works. So please pay close attention to whatever I'm explaining in this system. It works every single day. Okay, and if I just show you some real, this thing will excite you. So I go inside my wallet and let's see how much money I have. I have $20,000. I have $20,449.54 that I can withdraw right now, and I have an additional $5,250.35 pending. Okay, so basically it's like $25,000. It's 25,600 something dollars that are there for withdrawal. I have already withdrew $2,52,070.61 already from this one single account, and this money has gone in my bank account. So pay very close attention to each and every single step that I explain in this 1K a day challenge. This is totally a no-brainer for you. So having said that, that's it for this case study video. I'll see you in the next video now. See you there.